Hey, so in this video I'm going to show you how to apply RV roof sealing tape. Before applying the tape, you need to clean the surface where you're going to apply it. You need to do that with denatured alcohol. Pour it onto a bristle brush, a rag, use your favorite toothbrush if you have to, wear some nitrile gloves, and just clean it the best you can and let it dry. So once the surface is clean, you can start putting the tape down. Just lay some out like that. Line it up to where you want to place it. There's a film on the back that you'll have to peel off. And this does not stick to silicone. So if you have silicone, you're going to need to scrape it off. The denatured alcohol also removes silicone. Don't be afraid if the sticky part touches and it's not in the exact spot that you want it, because you can peel it off as long as you haven't pressed hard on it. So get it in place and do not press hard on it until it's in the spot that you want it to be in. Now that the tape's down, you need to use a seam roller to apply pressure to the tape, because that's how the adhesion takes hold. You want to squeeze any air out, get any air trapped, or if you're doing some tight corners, you can kind of peel it up with your fingers again, and then just repress it down. And you just go up. This actually goes quite quickly. It's a lot easier than you would think. Don't be afraid to do it. Hopefully this video gives you a bit of confidence just from seeing somebody else do it. So I did both edges all the way back. this front piece and these two side pieces. I still have a bit of tape left. Not enough to go all the way across again, so I didn't do the seam all the way in the back. That's okay because that one's really well sealed as it is anyways. And this is the Beech Lane 50-foot roll of 4-inch wide tape. I'll have a link in the description to where you can buy that. Really good stuff. Then finally I put a bead of self-leveling lap sealant that's made for RV roofs on the edge of the tape, just for extra security and peace of mind. I'm using the stuff by Dicor. Any self-leveling lap sealant made for RV roofs will work. They have non-self-leveling stuff too. Non-self-leveling sealant is for horizontal surfaces or sloped surfaces. The self-leveling stuff is kind of runny, so it like flattens out, and this stuff will run right down the side if you try to use it on a vertical surface. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload videos.